about to hit the bridge now. Here we go. This has to be one of the coolest things I've ever filmed. Yeah, there's a clear to stop over there. Probably the Adirondack's gonna pass us. You can catch it this way, dude. Catch the Adirondack passing us on the Victoria Bridge instead of at the station. Talk about unique. Yeah, 5 roses. One of the S's are partially dead, yeah. There it is. Amtrak Adirondack. 695. Cool. That's gotta be the coolest shot of the Adirondack I've ever gotten. Mind you, I don't have many.
71.47. I always hoped that there was going to be a boat.
Then we would go on the other track. I think I've been on a train once when it did that. The only other time I filmed across the bridge was on my other cab ride video and the 55. Almost across.
Boats are totally random.
Yeah, more or less. They aren't really scheduled. Trains are more scheduled, you know.
Yeah, even freight trains.
Whoa, we switched. We are going under it. We are.
Oh my God, that's the first.
Wow, your premonition is good. It's gonna get darker.
Not at all.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, this is very nice because now it's just us, no cars.
How about that? I didn't expect that. That means the bridge is up on the other side. That's so cool. There's the other part of the bridge over there.
It's the end of the front and center of the bridge. That's awesome.
Cool. I'm gonna credit you for saying that it would be cool to go across this part, and then we switched tracks and actually did it.
I take no credit for that, man. It was just something I said up in the air. And then,
random chance. Then we'll leave it to chance.
What?
We'll leave it to random chance.
Yeah. Oh, so cool.
Yes. Yes, indeed. You're not filming? Oh, okay.
I'm not filming.
Leaving that job to me then.
Well, mainly because I need a 60 FPS camera. Needs very well maintained lighting.
There's the other elevator. Is the other one up? Can you see? Go. Probably is. If we wouldn't be on this side if it wasn't up. Oh, whatever.
We might get a shot of it.
Even my camera doesn't do this justice. It looks so much cooler from the human eye.
Yeah.
Oh well. I'm glad I got it anyway.
Maybe if you tweak it in Premiere.
It doesn't make much of a difference. Can't really remove noise in video.
Yeah.
That I would need a better camera for, but I'm not complaining. I like this camera. It does the job. We're pretty much off the bridge now, so we should get ready to get going.
I think it's up. We'll see.
We hit one more switch as we come out of this curve. get back on the
I
normal.
also noticed no announcements.
Yeah, the announcements never went off. It's true.
Probably because the computers are off.
Who
That
knows?
emergency brake thing.
Who knows?
So cool.
I know. Like it
Oh,
was,
yeah.
it was cool to film a cab ride on the Two Mountains line through the Montreal tunnel, but this is even better. Crossing like one of the oldest bridges in Canada. I think it is the oldest bridge in Canada, the Victoria.
Yeah, but the part of the bridge we went on is
It's new. It's newer than the main bridge, but
yeah, it's 58.
yeah,
It's 1958.
close enough.
Look, we can see the bridge go down.
Yep, it's going back down already.
Or up or whatever. It's going up.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's going up now. Yeah, yeah. That's the lights flashing. Yeah, you're right.
Do you understand what he said?
No.
Me neither, but I know
Something about how many cars. I don't know.
I know what he said, but I didn't understand his message. But I know because I've taken the slang a couple of times before.
Anyway, that's it.